Assalamualaikum. Dear students, hope you all will be fine. And this video will help you in the preparation of your exams. It's second chapter of chemistry, atomic structure. As title shows, in this chapter we will study in detail about the structure of atoms. Contents are discharge tube experiment, discovery of electron, discovery of proton and neutron, Rutherford experiment, Neil-Bohr atomic model, hydrogen spectrum, Planck's quantum theory, X-rays, Moseley's law, and the quantum numbers. Discharge tube experiment. First of all, we will study about the discharge tube as what is discharge tube. A gas discharge tube is fitted with two metallic electrodes as cathode and anode. The tube is filled with gas, air or vapors of a substance at any desired pressure. The electrodes are attached to the battery, that is the source of high voltage. The tube is attached to the vacuum pump as shown in this figure. The vacuum pump is used to reduce the pressure. At ordinary pressure, no any gas can conduct the electricity. So, for the conduction of gas, we have to less the pressure and it will be very low till 0.01 torr and voltage should be 5000 to 10000. Means any gas conduct electricity at very low pressure and very high voltage. Discovery of electron. In 1897, J.J. Thomson used a cathode ray tube to reduce the presence of negatively charged particles. Cathode ray tube passes electricity through a gas that is contained at very low pressure. He basically observed that when current is passed through the battery, then the rays are moving from cathode to anode is observed. The rays are moving from cathode toward anode. That's why these rays are known as the cathode rays, जिन्हें बाद में जाके इलेक्ट्रॉन का नाम दिया गया. These rays are originated from cathode. That's why these are known as the cathode rays. And cathode possesses the negative charge and anode possesses the positive charge. That's why it's assumed that these rays contain negative charge. And these properties are later proved. Discovery of electron. An electron was discovered by cathode ray discharge tube experiment. A cathode ray tube is made up of glass containing two thin pieces of metal called electrodes. The properties and the formation of discharge tube we have discussed already. The flow of current from cathode to anode was further checked by making a hole in anode and casting the tube behind anode with phosphorescent material called zinc sulfide coating. A bright spot on the coating is developed. Conclusion from the study of electron was cathode rays have identical properties regardless of the element used to produce them. All elements must contain identical charged electrons. Atoms are neutral, so there must be positive particle in the atom to balance the negative charge of the electron. The electrons have so little mass that atoms must contain other particles that account for the most of the mass. Canal rays, also known as the positive rays. जब ये ऑब्जर्वेशन की गई कि कैथोड रेज मूव कर रही हैं, जो कैथोड से ओरिजिनेट हो रही हैं और मूव कर रही हैं टुवर्ड्स एनोड, तो एक और ऑब्जर्वेशन आई कि कुछ रेज ऐसी हैं जो एनोड से कैथोड की तरफ जा रही हैं और वो कैथोड के होल से पास होती हुई ग्लास ट्यूब की स्क्रीन पर जाके स्ट्राइक कर रही हैं और ग्लो कर रही हैं. अब चूंकि वो कैथोड रे के होल में से गुजर रही थी, दैट्स वाई उन्हें नाम दिया गया कैनाल रेज का. और वो पॉजिटिव रे से पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से नेगेटिव टर्मिनल की तरफ मूव कर रही थी, इसलिए इनको नाम दिया, सपोज किया गया कि इन पे चार्ज पॉजिटिव होगा, इसलिए इन्हें कैनाल रेज कहा जाता है. डिस्कवरी ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. Electrically discharge carried out in the modified cathode rays tube led to the discovery of properties carrying positive charge, also known as canal rays. And these rays have the characteristics as, unlike cathode rays, positively charged particles depend upon the nature of gas present in the cathode ray tube. It means the positive charge, the protons are depends upon the nature of gas. The charge to mass ratio of particle is found to depend on the gas from which they originated. Some of positively charged particles carry a multiple of the fundamental unit of electric charge. The behavior of these particles in the magnetic or electrical field is opposite to the observed for electron or cathode rays. The smallest and the lightest positive ion was obtained from hydrogen and was called proton. हाइड्रोजन को पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोजन को हम प्रोटॉन भी कहते हैं बिकॉज हाइड्रोजन हैज़ ओनली वन इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड वन प्रोटॉन. अगर हम वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव कर दें, आयोनाइजेशन हो जाए, तो प्रोटॉन के पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाइड्रोजन के पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक प्रोटॉन बचता है. दैट्स वाई हम प्रोटॉन को शो करने के लिए H पॉजिटिव लिखते हैं, जिसे हम लाइटेस्ट पॉजिटिव आयन भी कहते हैं. Discovery of neutron. Chadwick felt that by bombardment a thin sheet of beryllium by alpha particles, when electrically neutral particles having a mass slightly greater than that of the proton was emitted, he named these neutral particles as neutron. Thus, this discovery was very important discovery in the history of chemistry.